Hi, third grade. It's Mrs. Roth with your reading lesson for Friday, April 17th. We have come to the end of our unit about comparing and contrasting stories, so it's time to take our Edulastic quiz. So it should be up on your Edulastic. I'm just going to go through it quick for you so that you know what to do. So you can see it right here. It's called 3RL 4.2, Compare and Contrast Stories. And the picture is the red and white checkered right there. So I will go ahead and preview it for you. So it says to read the two passages and then answer the questions. So make sure you read both. One is labeled chicken and one is labeled witch. So you will read both stories and then the 4 questions go along with those 2 stories. So read both stories and then answer the 4 questions. Which of these events do not happen in either story? Make sure you pay attention to that word in all caps, not. And then we'll go to question 2. Which setting is not in either story? We'll go ahead and use what you learned from the passages to answer that question. How are the characters similar in both stories? Remember when we're comparing and contrasting, comparing is how they're similar. So how are the characters similar? And then the last question says, what is one theme that can be found in both stories? So what's one lesson that the author wants us to learn from both stories? Go ahead and type that in a complete sentence or 2. And then when you are finished, you can go ahead and submit it. Make sure you click both answers or both submit buttons so that we can see your score. And then just one more thing is make sure that you are doing this assessment on your own so that we can see what you have learned in these last couple weeks of reading. We just want to see how you have learned this skill. This will be my last day teaching reading for now. Miss V will teach you reading starting on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys.